everyone, welcome to my channel. Now we take in our discussion essay 450. Essay 450 is evaluation of the misstatement identified during the audit. This essay is not revised. This essay is come in 1/4/2010 on 1/4/2010. Okay, so if you talk about the 450, when we talk about the 315, in 315 we identify the misstatement, then in 330 we respond to those misstatement, and then in 320 we decide what's the material misstatement, and now in 450 we evaluate the effects of those material misstatement on financial statement. In 315 we identify the misstatement. In 330 we respond those misstatement. In 320 we decide what's the material misstatement, and in 450 we evaluate the effect of those misstatement on financial statement. Okay, when we talk about the misstatement, what's the causes of the misstatement, what's the reason of the misstatement? If we talk about the reason, so first is inaccuracy of the data. Inaccurate data is gathered and inaccurate data is processed. Obviously you gather the inaccurate data, then processing of the data is is also inaccurate or incorrect. Then omission of the disclosures and amount is the most common misstatement, which is generally say in financial statement that we omit the disclosures. The management is omit the disclosures. Then incorrect accounting estimates. If accounting estimates, accounting judgments, or depends on the management interpret the facts incorrectly, and then he applied the estimation or judgments which is unreasonable or incorrect. Okay, then we talk about the inappropriate accounting policies. For example, if there is inventory, we talk about the FIFO method, LIFO method. Wherever required the FIFO method, in perishable goods we know that required the FIFO method, and the management applied the LIFO method. Management applied the LIFO method, so that this is the inappropriation of the accounting policies which misrepresents the financial positions. So this all is the reasons which is causes the misstatements. Okay, first is the inaccurate data, omission of the disclosures, incorrect accounting estimation, unreasonable judgments, inappropriate accounting policies. Okay, then what's the, as an auditor, what's our duty? Firstly, we accumulate the misstatements other than those which are clearly trivial. Trivial is small. Other than small misstatement is like rupees 10 voucher of the revenue of rupees 10 is omitted by SS, so it's trivial, it's not affected, and it is a single mistake which is also not materially misstated. But if we talk about accumulate, as an auditor we accumulate all misstatement, and then we see the effect on financial statement of those misstatement. As an auditor, we change our plan and strategy accordingly. In planning and strategy, if the materiality level is changed, then we change in our audit planning and making audit strategy. Accordingly, apply the additional procedures. Then communicate this misstatement. Firstly, we communicate to management, and we say the management that he should be corrected those misstatement. If management correct those misstatement, then again we apply the additional procedures to see this misstatement is correct or not, actually correct or not. And if the management is refused to correct those misstatement, management argues that this is not misstatement, I don't think this is misstatement, and this is not misrepresents financial position, and these all arguments and management is not correct those misstatement, then what we do as an auditor, we communicate those charged with governance. Okay, we communicate those chats with governance, and we also say them, request them that you correct this misstatement after, and we can take the written representation from the management if possible. Then TCWG also, you attach this written representation with your audit report. Okay, this as an auditor, this all is our duties. And finally, documentation is always our duty. What we document here, we document the trivial amount, below this amount there is no any misstatement which is affect our financial position. We also document what's the misstatement which is affect our financial statement, what's the effect on the financial statement of those misstatements. This whole thing we are documented. So this is a small SM 450. This is all about 450. Okay, thank you very much.